VistaTrac Merge Packing provides an easy way to label up to 4 products at the same time on a single production line. So if you have what we call a chaotic labeling process or chaotic production with a lot of different things happening on the plant floor at the same time, and products can end up at a single packing station in a random order, then Merge Packing can save you a ton of time and provide a ton of value. Each product can be set up with its own lot number, its own batch number, be packed against an order, or packed directly to inventory. When packing to order, you could be working on 4 different orders simultaneously, or maybe working on 4 different products for the same order, allowing you to get your orders out the door more quickly. When packing to inventory, Merge Packing allows you to build up to 4 pallets at the same time, streamlining your production and bringing order to chaos. The production manager at Taylor Shellfish told me that Merge Packing was a game changer for their operation. So give us a call today if you need to improve your production process as well.